Joining me now for more is NBC News Justice and Intelligence Correspondent Ken Dilanian. Ken, thanks for being here. Of course, it's like that laundry list of cases are there, but we'll start with Jack Smith's brief to the Supreme Court, which is due today. Are we expecting anything new out of it?
That's hard to know, Yamiche. We certainly expect him to make the same argument he made when he originally asked the Supreme Court to hear this case on a fast track back in February. Remember, Smith said then that, quote, the president's alleged criminal scheme to overturn an election and thwart the peaceful transfer of power to his successor should be the last place to recognize a novel form of absolute immunity from federal criminal law. I'll be watching, actually, for whether the special counsel addresses a possible concern for some conservative justices on the high court, which is the sweeping nature of the D.C. Appeals Court ruling saying that presidents enjoy no immunity whatsoever for official acts they take while in office. Some scholars believe the court may decide that there are, in fact, things a president does that should not be second-guessed by a prosecutor. Then, of course, Jack Smith would argue that Mr. Trump's alleged schemes to overturn the election were not presidential acts, but the Supreme Court could, in theory, instruct the trial judge to rule on that question, which could then be appealed, which would be another recipe for delay. Yamiche.
You talk about the appeals process. How long does the Trump team have to file their reply before we get to oral arguments at the end of the month?
It's due on April 15th, which is both tax day and the day that the state of New York's criminal trial against Mr. Trump begins.
Wow. We also have some news around the special counsel report into President Biden. The DOJ is saying that it will not release the audio of his interview with Robert Hur. So what more do we know about that decision?
Yeah, the DOJ in a letter to the committee today said that the committee hadn't demonstrated a need for the audio recording of the interview, given that the transcript has already been made public. The DOJ said it was concerned that, quote, the committee's interests may not be in receiving information in service of legitimate oversight or investigatory functions, but to serve political purposes that should have no role in the treatment of law enforcement files. I should point out, though, Yamiche, that news organizations, including NBC News, are seeking access to that audio because we believe it's a public record and we think the Justice Department doesn't have a right to withhold it. We believe that audio could add context to the transcript and to the question of whether Special Counsel Robert Hur accurately characterized President Biden's memory lapses and mental capacity during that interview. Yamiche?
Well, Ken, thanks so much for juggling all these legal cases for us, as always.
You bet.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.